Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Magic Keyboard. Here it is. This is for my 2020 iPad Pro, which is right here, guys. I've had the iPad Pro now for about 2 months. It's been excellent, very quick. I did not have a keyboard for it. I had a case and a stand, which I'll show you here in a little bit. But it's definitely, I felt it was necessary to have a keyboard. Those of you who are new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always made aware when I post new content. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's jump right into unboxing this Magic Keyboard. Alright, here we have the infamous tab up here at the bottom, so always pretty satisfying opening that up, as with every Apple product. Dive right into this. Now I did have my, I'll show you guys this here in a little bit, but I did have my iPad in sort of a brown case that was a sort of a kickstand, I guess, if you will, for the case. That way I could, prop it up at an angle and then watch whatever content I wanted to watch or browse. But I did find that I really needed a keyboard and a trackpad to really, get things done. So I got some more wrapping to unwrap here. And this is, it does have a bit of weight to it. It does feel quite solid. Just kind of see the Apple logo. I don't know if you can see it. It's imprinted there on the back of the case. And as I'm opening this up, it sort of snaps open. You can see that there. Maybe if I turn it this way, you can see it just sort of snaps right into place. Looks like designed by Apple in California there. Let's see what else we have in here. This slides out in here. And maybe there's some instructional, there's some instructional reading material here. Just sort of shows you the different angles that you can turn the case. Alright, so we don't need that. And there doesn't appear to be anything else inside of this. So it doesn't look like there's any stickers or anything like that. So and here we are. See the trackpad there, keys. Now these are, from what I understand, the traditional butterfly keys that you find on the MacBooks. So just these first presses, it feels quite nice. And so we saw the action of this opening up and clicking here, but there's actually, goes back a bit further, about to right there. And it is taking me some force to open this up, so it's nice and solid. There's also, I don't know if you can see just here, these 3 contacts would be for power. Once you adhere the iPad to the back here. Here's obviously the notch for the camera, or the cameras, and also the LiDAR sensor. And then you have the trackpad, which you can hear is definitely a moving trackpad. It physically presses down as you push it. Your keys. We'll close this back up. And on this side, you have the USB-C port here, just at the hinge area. There is not another one on this side, so you get one USB-C port that is not for data transfer. It is only for pass-through power. Okay, so you plug in your USB-C power cable here, and that passes the power through to these 3 contacts that we saw earlier, and that's how the iPad is powered. So let's check out the strength of the magnets next, and go ahead and adhere the iPad. Alright, so here's our iPad, and we'll go ahead and set that in place. And just like that, just like magic, it's there. You can see here, it just magnetizes right on. Let's just pull it off so you can see that again. It does take 2 hands. The magnets are quite strong, so you need to take 2 hands and line it up. Boom, and it goes right into place there. Alright, so let's go ahead and close it. Let's see how that works out. There you go. There it is, closed. And it is quite heavy. I mean, it's with the iPad, the 12.9-inch iPad, you're looking at about 3 pounds along with the case. So the case coupled with the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, about 3 pounds there. Alright, and then to open it up, let's see here. Yeah, you definitely need to have 2 hands opening it up. So it opens up to that, let's do that again, opens up here to that first click or that first position. And then if you want to open it up even further, pull back a little bit more, and that's about as far as you'll get out of that there. That's the angle you get. I love the way this floats like this. Very nice. And the keys feel quite good. So you're unlocked there. And it does lock your iPad when you close the lid, as expected. So we'll open it back up here, and you can see that it is locked. Alright. Now if I had an Apple Pencil, which I don't, there is a little magnet just here at the top of the iPad in this orientation, and that's the magnet that holds the Apple Pencil there. So one other thing to note, you can't see it now, but if we didn't have light on right now, these keys would be illuminated. They're backlit. So you do have backlit keys here on the keyboard. Very helpful, very useful in low light situations. These magnets are very strong. So I'm picking up the iPad sort of by the iPad itself. The magnets are staying there. This thing is not coming off. So you're good there in terms of security. This is very rigid. It's built well. It seems to be certainly designed and built well. I would say that this keyboard is sort of a one-trick pony. I mean, you literally take it out of the box, attach it to the iPad, and it is already synced. It is already there's nothing to connect here. It just works, and certainly like a lot of Apple products that you see, this is no different. Works right out of the box. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.